Good news. Get this how I need it. Now it'll be much easier. Alright, we have 2 orbs over the pond. There's the smaller one. There's the larger one. Now this one pulsates. Well, yeah, it does. So there's 2, not in the usual place. I'm starting to think that these things are spirit related energy, spirit energy. Yeah, I am. I'm starting to think that. Because the only time that, it's alive. And since nothing dies, you know what I mean? It's living energy. Orbs. That's what I believe. So, see that? Look at that. It's amazing. Okay, let's go back down to the smaller one. Oh, it's doing it a little bit now, too. Yep. It's got its own thing going on. Oh, yeah. Sure does. Look at that. It's just absolutely amazing. Now, you know they're never there, especially over that spot, because they're always up in the right corner or the left corner. This is a completely new thing for me. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up. I really don't want to, but I'm going to keep it short.